Osteophyte. What is an osteophyte? Is an excessive bony growth, or say in the terms of like bone spurs. When the physician is going to remove such bone spurs, we term that as an osteophytectomy. A corpectomy is the removal of the body of the vertebra. The physician is going to excise a portion of the body of the vertebra. So this is termed as corpectomy. Please keep in mind, corpectomy is different from carpectomy, which is actually a procedure on the carpal bones of the wrist. Rhizotomy, here the physician is going to ablate the affected nerve roots via radiofrequency ablation. Rhizo here refers to the nerve root. Cordotomy. We know the spinal cord is made up of tracts. We have the ascending and the descending tracts, spinothalamic tracts. So here what happens is, in order to relieve the pain sensation or the neuropathic injuries, the physician is going to ablate a portion of the tract. So we call that as a cordotomy. Osteoplasty is again a repair of the bony structure with the aid of a graft material.